Give me my horse and to set me free out on the Oregon Trail. There's a good life and it's waiting for me at the end of the Oregon Trail. Beautiful valleys beneath the mountains high, big pine trees reaching up to the sky, crystal clear streams that never run dry at the end of the Oregon Trail. It's a mighty long way from St. Louis to that land, following the wagon tracks. But mountains and rivers and desert sands ain't a-gonna turn me back. Ride along,
Ride along,
sing a song,
I